Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. I hit 1,000 subscribers a little over a week ago, and it's still growing, and I really appreciate it. It really means a lot. People's been supporting me. I get positive comments. I like talking back with people. They'll ask me a question, what I think about something. I just like, giving my opinion on stuff and helping somebody out if I can. And if you're new to my channel, you'll notice I do stuff a little bit different here. I don't so much just show something start to finish. There's a lot of videos out there. I watch to see what's out there, and I'll see stuff they'll show a dent or a repair on a car, and it'll just show start to finish with not so much why they're doing something. And that's fine. Everybody does their own thing and does it their own way. But what I try and do is offer a little bit something different. I want to just break stuff down and show the procedures of how you should do something and why you should do something or why you shouldn't do something. And like I said, a lot of people, they got different ways of doing stuff, and as long as the end product comes out, that's fine. But what I've noticed in the last, it's been quite a few years now. I mean, high schools, they used to have auto body class. Those are pretty much all gone. It's hard for somebody young to get started into this trade without an initial some help or some schooling or instructions. And that's what this is geared for, getting people going, getting started the right way. And also another thing, these videos are geared more towards somebody working in a body shop, the younger guys starting out, just to get that extra knowledge or training or know-how, because a lot of the old ways are disappearing, and that's the way I was taught back in the 70s. I was taught by a body man, went to trade school, and he'd done body work in the 50s and 60s. So I learned a lot of the old ways. A lot of them don't apply on today's cars, but a lot of them do. And one of the misconceptions out there I've heard for years is, well, you can't do it the old way because the sheet metal's different. You got to completely do everything different, the new way. And that's not true. That's usually, people will say that because they don't know the old ways and they're just getting by. So anyway, I hope these videos will just give you a little understanding of how metal works and tool selection and what happens. If you've watched my videos on where to start on a dent, work from the outside in, and the reasons why, stuff like that. So I think these just a little bit more information than just showing a repair from start to finish without explaining something. So I really appreciate the support. When I started this, I didn't know where it was going to go. I just had a little different take of what I wanted to do. And I really appreciate everybody subscribing. Like I said, it's over 1,000 now. And I don't get thousands and thousands of views like a lot of channels do, and I watch a lot of videos out there to see what guys are doing, and I like watching stuff like that. I like watching the guys that are chopping tops and fabricating and stuff like that. But going back to what I said, where these are geared more towards the technician working in a shop, there's a lot more of those guys out there than there are doing fabrication work. And it's nice to watch that stuff, see how they do it, but I'm just trying to help the guys that are making a living and want to make a career out of this and learn stuff the right way. So I hope I'm, getting the information out there. I hope you like it. It seems to be doing pretty well. I'm going to keep doing it. As long as you keep supporting me, I'm going to keep putting out some videos. I've got a lot of new stuff in the works. A lot of stuff has already been filmed and just waiting to get out there, timing. Some of the stuff is going to get mixed up. I've got a whole series on doing truck frame repairs. It is not the most exciting thing to talk about, and it's basically the same thing as the classroom setting, but I tell you I'll show how to anchor and pull and measure, what to look for, how to troubleshoot an area, what happens if you pull something the wrong way or out of sequence. So I hope that'll do good. And then there's going to be other stuff filling in too in between that. But one other thing too, and I'm going to do a giveaway for hitting 1,000 subscribers, and I don't know what it's going to be, and I don't know exactly. It'll be coming up within probably the next month. I'll do it, but it could be on the end of this video. I may tell how I'm going to do it. It might be the next video, the video after, or it could be its own video just on a giveaway. So you're going to have to watch, keep updated, see how that works. But it'll be hopefully within the next 2 to 4 weeks I'm going to have that done. Like I said, I haven't decided what I'm going to give away yet. I've got some ideas and exactly how I'm going to do it. So keep watching. One other thing on another kind of a side note, my son and I, we have another channel that we started a couple years ago, and we kind of let it lapse a little bit, but we ramped up. We got a whole bunch of new stuff coming out on that. Now, if you like hunting, fishing, hiking, camping, RVing, anything outdoors, and it's called Pleasant Valley Outdoors. We've got all kinds of stuff out there on there. Actually, right now, my son and daughter-in-law, they're in Alaska doing a self-guided backpacking trip. So hopefully when he gets back in a week or two, he'll have a lot of footage to put something out. But we got a lot of how-to stuff on there. We've been doing some work on our RV and some how-to projects. Also, another thing about myself, my wife and I, we have a small farm here in Indiana. So a lot of the stuff is on the farm. It's either logging or cutting trees, anything outdoor, like I said, hunting, fishing, camping. So if you like that kind of stuff, check out the channel. If you subscribe to that, we'd really appreciate it. Help us out. But back to this channel. Like I said, I just want to thank everybody that subscribed, that supported me. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. And I'm going to keep videos coming as long as you keep watching them. And I do appreciate the positive comments and feedback I get from everybody. So that'll wrap it up for now. Thanks for watching.